What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Junior Barreto, aka the Modern New Yorker, and I'm back with another blog. On today's blog, I have an unboxing video. I have an unboxing video for my small business. As you well know, I have a small clothing brand called Barreto&Co clothing. Links will be in the description section below. So, I was checking my emails, browsing the business emails, and I came across a promotion. This video here is not sponsored by the company, but I do a lot of business with them, so I wanted to highlight them in the video. So the company that I went with is called StickerMule. StickerMule is a custom printing company, and they specialize in printing a lot of things from stickers, coasters, shipping labels, even poly mailers. I ordered stuff from them before. I ordered a lot of samples from them. And some of the stuff that I ordered for them before, I ordered like stickers. Got some stickers right here, Barreto&Co custom stickers. Also, I got some coasters, some drink coasters. So when StickerMule sent me their latest email promotion, I had to jump on the opportunity to order it. The promotion that they had was 10 acrylic pins for $9. So I placed the order on Wednesday. It took a couple days for delivery, but today is Saturday and my package is now arrived. So we're gonna unbox it now on the channel. Here you go right now. Courtesy of StickerMule. We're gonna take a look at the contents on the inside. It's my first time, seeing it with you guys. Let's open it up. See what we got here. So let's see what we got in the box. We got please remove protective film, StickerMule packaging. We got a drink coaster for StickerMule. Some stickers from StickerMule. I like these add-ons that they put inside their packaging because this is some of the stuff that they sell. So if you like that kind of stuff as well, the stickers and the coasters, it makes you want to go on their site and see as well whatever stuff that they have. And now to the acrylic pins. Oh, these are fire. Barreto&Co acrylic pins. I like these. Is the camera focused on it? Nice. These are really nice. I like these. They got the rubber backing, so you take it off like this. So now that I looked at these pins for the first time, I really like these pins. I'm kind of undecided what to do with these pins, so maybe you guys in the comment section can help me. I'm thinking two things. Should I either do one, give these pins away as a free gift, so when you order something on the site, whether it's a hat, sweatsuit, t-shirt, whatever's on the site, when you order something, you get this free in the packaging, or two, should I sell them separately? Yeah, you guys let me know in the comment section below. Talk to me, I talk back. If you're new to this channel, I cover all things New York City, from the best spots to eat at and the best entertainment around New York City. So if you like that type of content, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Also, I run a small clothing brand by the name of Barreto&Co clothing. So shout out to StickerMule for the acrylic pins. I'll link the website in the description section below. Also, let me know in the comment section if you ever ordered acrylic pins or anything from StickerMule yourself. So again, I'm not trying to keep you guys too long. It's Saturday night and I want y'all to go out and enjoy yourself, especially if you're in New York City. It's your boy, Junior Barreto, aka the Modern New Yorker, and we out. Peace.